Hi guys, Ronnie here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tout the benefits of these guys, these roller stands, and how they changed my woodworking world. Stick around. So when I first started out woodworking, I had this table saw facing toward my workbench, and I had built this stand here to support any wood coming off the saw. But as you can see, it's not even because the table saw is lower than my workbench. So in order to remedy that, I had used a couple of 2x4s under the wheels and under these legs here. 2x4 plus, I think it was like a 3/16 piece of plywood glued to that to bring it up to approximately the height of my bench. So that was not an ideal situation, but it worked for the time being. And from there, I bought my first roller stand. And so now I've got my table saw facing the wall, hooked up to my back system, and it just worked out to where this little chest freezer is just about the same height as my table saw. So the first stand I bought, I used it right in the middle like this, and I'm able to adjust it right here. I can adjust the height, so I adjust it right up there, and it's just really easy to feed the wood through the saw. It goes on the stand and then right over to the top of my freezer. Works out really well. So that first stand worked out so well for me, I decided to get a second one. And now I can support a full 8-foot 2x4, as you can see, on the table saw. I can start my cut, and at all points I'll have some kind of support as I'm making the cut all the way through. If I need to rip part of this board the full length, all the way through, supported. It folds up nice and flat, as you can see here, for easy storage, and has 3 settings. There's a roller, a ball bearing setting, and then you can set it on the regular support stand type setting. Measures about 26 1/4 on the low side, and adjust up to about 43 3/4 or so. Here's a couple of shots of just showing really how smooth and easy it is. Pretty much, you know, finger operation, push it through. Here's another one, just really nice. See it catching on the support stand, and single finger operation, really smooth. Having a little fun here, just kind of pushing the 2x4 to show how easy it is to roll back. Another advantage is using it for plywood. As you can see, I've got the 2 stands set and the table saw at 3-point contact. Works great. Hey guys, bottom line is you won't be disappointed if you pick a couple of these up, and that's coming from a guy who bought them himself, and I can't be more happy with them. I hope this helps give you some ideas. Let me know in the comments below if you have these or if you use something else. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.